same as binary option. Yeah, binary option is one of the best methods to make good money just from home, but it's a little bit risky. Yeah, guys, I guess I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. So to trade binary option, you gotta be careful. You have to have a good strategy and a trustful platform and broker. Learn a good strategy. For example, I will teach you a binagetal strategy. You can master it, learn it, practice on demo account. Please guys, practice a lot. I don't want you to lose anything training while you're training. I want you to be sure that you master it, you master the binagetal strategy, and you can start making profits. Once you are sure, 100% sure that you will make profits, then you can go to the real account. So yeah, the strategy is fully explained. The binagetal strategy is fully explained in the course, in the link of this video. Yeah, you can learn it, practice it, invest some efforts and some time, and hopefully you will start making some good profits. I don't guarantee you to make millions from the first week or first month. You will not 100%, but you will not make millions from your first week. Guys, you need to be patient. You need to invest time, effort. Try to understand everything. In the course, I will teach you the basics of the binagetal strategy. You need to practice it a lot, and hopefully you'll make good profits. Be careful which broker and platform you choose. I use IQ Option. IQ Option have some bad reviews and some good reviews. For me, it's one of the best brokers and platforms. I think there is some other platforms that are better, but for me, IQ Option is a good platform. I know how I withdraw my money. Simple method, as always, as I told you already. Use my method. The method, you can find it in the videos of this channel. Just follow this channel, follow all the videos I upload. Yeah, you can use IQ Option, or you can use other platforms. It's your choice. Just look it up on the internet, look all the reviews, learn everything about that broker or platform before you deposit any money. But first, you can use IQ Option demo account. Yeah, they give you a free demo account. You can use it, practice on it. You can find the indicators of this strategy in IQ Option, and you can use it in any other platform. The binagetal strategy can be used in any other platform. So just practice it and practice and practice. Purchase the course that is in the link of this video. Once the payment is completed, you will receive an email with the link to the course. The course is, I guess, 2 hours long, 12 episodes. Everything about the binagetal strategy is explained in that course. And yeah, I wish everyone we make some good profit from this with this strategy from the binary options. Be careful, don't purchase the course anywhere else other than the Wurud, the binagital.com. The Wurud, we don't use the Wurud Academy, Wurud.ga anymore, but you can purchase from it. Both the websites are official, but we use binagital.com. You can go there, you can purchase from it, you receive an email, you go, you access the course, read it, follow it. The course is in English. Spend some time, guys, trust me. At the end of the day, you won't regret spending time. You have to spend some time training, learning, but once you master this strategy or any other strategy that is legit, you won't regret it, because you, at the end of the day, you will make some real profits. And that's what I want you to do. Be patient, guys. Don't rush it. Never rush the result. Just wait for it, practice it, learn it, try to understand more and more. Try to read between the lines. And yeah. And guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. I will make a live session if this channel reach 10,000 subscribers or this video reach 10,000 likes. I will make a live session with 10 signals, so everybody can make a good profit from it. And hopefully they will afford to buy the course. We just give you for free 10 signals. And yeah, good luck for everybody. I guess that's enough. $1,000. Let's stop the video.